Hey my friends, welcome back to AttractPassion. It's a 2nd of September and I want to talk a little bit about what you can focus on at this moment because this is a powerful time of the year. This is also a powerful time of our life cycle as each of us is living a certain life cycle when we are experiencing, let's say, we are learning, we are having life experiences, we are experimenting with different things, with our financial states, with our spiritual states, we are learning or reading different books, and like I said, we are learning. So this is the cycle of life. But every time when we get enough experiences to step outside of this cycle, when we become aware of this cycle, when same things are repeating over and over again, sometimes same problems are repeating over and over again, sometimes like we are meeting same people or similar people over and over again. When finally we become aware of that cycle, it's the time to step outside of that cycle. So at that moment we start living a new cycle, and that is always a part of our own personal and spiritual awakening. So September is knowing as also a new beginning of a cycle. Kids are going to school, back to school. Many people are through the summer are learning, reading new books. They are more easygoing, but when it comes September, it's time to apply new knowledge. It's time to apply new knowledge into our life's experiences. Also, we can see it in colors as well, in nature, in trees, because through the summer we can see all those green colors. Green is the color of love, color of our heart center. And let's make it like this. If this is our heart in a human body, if I will draw it fastly here, a human body, because it will be really easy to understand that concept, what is truly happening at this time of our lives. This is a human body. Because if we understand this, we can become more aware how much nature is truly helping us on our own evolving, our own growth. So green color is the color of our heart center, heart chakra, the color of love. When we are activating heart, we are activating love, we are feeling more love for life. We are also becoming aware more of our creativity. We are becoming more creative. But when it comes September, the colors in nature, firstly they are going into yellow. You can see trees slowly, they are transforming into the yellow. And if we are looking the specter of our chakras, they starts with red. Red is our root chakra. It's how we are grounding ourselves. That's why people say that red color is for grounding. Then it's orange, then it's yellow, then it's green. So when nature is transforming its colors, it's a manifestation of the energy which is supporting or creating or manifesting nature. And if we are going with that flow of nature, it's much easy to manifest, it's much easy to stay healthy, it's much easy to stay creative and stay in the process with less stress and less anger or depression or feeling of separation from something. So that's why those are the colors of nature. And why it is important right now. September is the time of transformation. September is the time when we are stepping into a new cycle. And when we are stepping into a new cycle, it's time to apply new knowledge. It's time what you were learning all the time until now, it's time to apply that new knowledge into your life's experience. Because why this is important? When you start adding new thoughts, I was talking about this many times. When you start adding new thoughts, you will start feeling new emotions, because that's natural process of our body. You will experience new emotions. And when you will experience new emotions, you will create or take new actions. So with new actions, you will get new results. And that's why many people will also say that this time of our lives, right now, the September, is a great time for manifestation. Also, full moon is coming up today, and it's truly powerful time. It's a whole new cycle, and that's why it's so important right now to start adding your new informations, what you gained in this year, through videos that you have watched, through books that you have read, through people that you met and you were talking with. Add new informations. New informations are expressed through thoughts. Add these new informations, new thoughts into your mind. Start thinking about those thoughts. Start thinking about all those informations, because all those new thoughts will create new emotions. You will feel differently. You can feel right now that something is changing, and new emotions will always create new actions, because when we feel differently, we act differently. If we act differently, we will always attract new results. We will create new results. And that's why this time, this September, is truly powerful. So I'm not making many videos about like energy updates or what is happening with the moon and things like that, but sometimes I just feel this intuitive message and I want to give it to you. Because just observe the colors in nature and you will see those are the same colors expressed through the energy, which we can learn. We can just recognize the manifestations around us and what those colors, what everything in nature is telling me at this time. So everything is a lesson. And as I mentioned at the beginning about the life cycle, what life cycle is? Life cycle is made out of informations or knowledge, then experiences, then we need to experiment with these experiences. And after experimentation, we will get new knowledge, we will get new wisdom through the life cycle. And every time when we get new wisdom through the same processes, we finally, with wisdom, we become more aware. We become more aware, and when we become more aware, we can see that we are actually running a cycle, and with awareness we are stepping outside of the cycle, because we are not that cycle anymore. We are awareness observing the cycle. And when we become awareness, which is observing the cycle, this awareness, we as the conscious creators, conscious beings, can decide, okay, let's make now a new cycle with new thoughts, new emotions, new actions. Let's see what kind of knowledge we will gain with new like I said, new energy. Because of that, we are creating new energy. New thoughts are creating new mind. New emotions are creating new body. New actions are creating new state of being, because the whole cycle from thinking and feeling is changing. New results are creating new reality, personal reality, manifestation of our thoughts. So by that, we are stepping into a new life. And that's what right now is a perfect time to do. Doesn't matter where you are, it is a perfect time to do this at this moment. So this is it for today, a short video. I'm wishing you like truly beautiful day, and take time today for meditation because it's a full moon. Take time for creating. Full moon is always a time for creating, for expressing your divine energy, for expressing your intuition, for expressing your creativity, and protect your energy as well. Protect your, how to protect your energy when you're thinking about new thoughts. Stop talking with everyone about these new thoughts, because some people just don't believe into what your vision of the future is, and they will always try to pull you down. So protect your energy, but always believe into your new results, new reality. Always believe into your vision, because that's how you're getting there. So once again, this is it, my friends. I'm sending you lots of love, lots of blessings, and see you soon. Peace.